Hello everybody, Life's Apprentice. We're doing some siding here, and I'm going to show you a quick little trick how we figure out our angles. Every angle in every house is going to be a little bit different, but you can do this essentially whether it's an angle like this or an angle like this. What I do, I take a scrap piece of siding. This is double 4 Dutch lap. It's an 8-inch reveal, but it's a 9¼ inch total. So what I do to figure out my angle is I'll just take a scrap piece like this and I'll slide it up until this top hits the J right here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our tape measure, we're going to go in right here, and if you can see there, I have 30 inches. So that's going to be our offset on the angle. So we've been doing some angles here already, and we know that it's 30 inches, and it hasn't changed. But this is how you're going to figure out your angle for 30 inches. And the next step is going to be to figure out your overall length. So it's hard to tell, but I have 67 to the edge of this, and we need a 3-inch lap. So we're going to go 70 inches overall. That'll give us a 3-inch lap. That'll give us an inch right here for expansion and contraction, and we'll show you what this looks like when we have it cut. About 30 inches. You can use this like if you're running into another roof and it's the opposite, you can just measure off the top. Imagine if your angle was this way, you'd measure off the top, to figure out that angle. But we're going to get this cut and we'll show you how it looks. So here's our piece, and it's really important when you mark this, you mark it right at the very top of this nail strip. So you can see 30 inches there. He's going to mark it right there. And then we're going to take a straight edge of some sort, and we're going to go from this mark to this point, basically to nothing right here. And that's going to give us our 30-inch offset. So here's our piece cut on an angle. We're just going to snap this on. We're going to slide it over. Our notch is good, and ouch, you're going to want to slide this over as far as you can until it hits, and that's essentially it. And then we're just going to nail it in. With siding, you never want to nail your nails tight. With trim, I always nail my nails tight. You don't want the trim to move, but the siding needs to be able to move. You're always going to put your nails center on these holes, and then you're going to leave about 1/8 of an inch. 1/8 of an inch between the nail head and the wall so that you have room. See how this piece slides like that? That's what you want. It should be able to do that, and it will do that over time when it's hot and when it's cold. So if you like this, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. See you on the next one.